What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page and business page URL. Now first thing you should do is simply go to Facebook, and now you should go to this profile icon right here on the top right corner. Then now I'm gonna click on see all profiles, then I'm gonna choose this profile right here. And now once you select it, you can simply go to the top right corner and click on it, then choose settings and privacy, then go to settings, and now it will open this page right here. And what you should do right now is to go to this search bar right here and type name. Then after searching for name, you can simply go to name right here and click on view. Then what you should do right now is to simply set a username. Now here, as you can see, I have the URL like this, and this is because I do not have a username. So now I'm gonna set a username, and by this way your URL will be changed also. As you can see now, this is the new URL. It says that username is not available, so try to use something which is available. Then I'm gonna click on save changes. Then it will ask you to enter your password, then click on submit. And now after loading, now let's go back to our page. Then I'm gonna click on refresh, and now here, as you can see, we have changed the URL to this one right here. And you can do the same steps on your business page or even on your profile page. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.